At an ExxonMobil refinery, new noise regulations posed a serious challenge. Traditional abrasive blasting methods were too loud, potentially cutting operator time from 6.5 to 5 hours per day. This threatened project delays or increased labor costs. To solve the issue, ExxonMobil partnered with BlastOne's Performance 3 analysis to test the SnakeBite XQ blast nozzle. Designed to reduce noise by up to 16 decibels and lower nozzle thrust by 45%. The result? ExxonMobil stayed compliant, maintained full productivity, and improved operator comfort, all without adding extra workers or time. This wasn't a fluke. This is how Performance 3 was designed. To learn more about how Performance 3 can help you, log on to blastone.com/Performance 3 and get started today.